The new Nano technology is a combination of all our efforts that we've done in the past, so we can update and we can adapt to any situation that you need on the farm.
Not only can the Nano be used on a center pivot, when you're done irrigating, you can use it for a pump controller, you can use it for a moisture probe reader, fans and dryers. The days of having to buy a separate unit every time you want to add more control to any of your equipment on your farm are over with.
The Nano technology coming to market is very exciting because if we ever decide to pick up more ground to rent, we have a cheap, viable option that we can put on there, and it's still very effective to monitor and easy way to get in without spending too much money.
We were really excited to get into the grain bin management side of things, and that the fact that you can take it off an irrigation system that you have and go and place it on that bin and just get that 2-in-1 use out of it. It makes really good economical sense and will be a huge asset to our farm.
A lot of my pivots that I farm, I don't own. Therefore, if I buy this piece of equipment and then I don't end up having it next year, I can just simply pick the Nano up and move it and install it on another pivot. And if I am able to just upgrade it instead of having to start over, it just works that much better for me without putting a big investment forward.
The Nano Solar allows the customer to monitor the position and get text messages when it shuts down. The modular design allows the customer to add a relay board if they want to add control, which is what we consider Nano Basic. From the Nano Basic, they can add a wireless module which will allow the device to communicate with other devices in the field and have full control with a 5 or 10 inch touchscreen at the pivot point.
FieldWise is completely unique in the fact that we reuse any panel that's out there that we can interface with. So if you have an existing nice computer panel, instead of you replacing that panel, we want to just work with it. It's easier for you and it's better for the environment.
So all the time driving around and rough on your vehicles, when you can just look on your phone now and make sure your pivot's still running. Now we can actually have time off and spend it elsewhere, adding more value to our operation.
You don't have to be an expert to use the Nano platform. We're just a phone call away. But if you do need local support, we have hundreds of dealers across the U.S. to make sure you're getting the most out of your product.
I don't want to have to worry about the pivot going around in a circle. I want to worry about growing my crop and feeding my crop. That's the things I need to focus on. We've never had a product like the Nano that we've been able to use one thing across all the devices that FieldWise can plug into. With the success that we've had with all their other products, I can't imagine what this new Nano platform is going to bring to the table for us growers.
We're really excited about the Nano platform. We can't wait to get it on your farm and to get your feedback.